I think you can only be lucky like once a day. I think that's the rule. So those who are watching are like, why is he using that and not the zippity doopity? Because this is the only zippity dee I've got. Wait for giving birth here. Why is it bringing so many cables down? Because I like things to be hardwired. All right, we're gonna get this to work.
I'm Brett Seidel, the owner and principal designer of Lewis & Rose Interiors, a residential interior design firm located in booming Frisco, Texas. We are so excited to bring you everything from practical design tips and tricks, to fun room reveals, to informative interviews, and of course, a whole lot of really beautiful designs. Like, subscribe, and then comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you and can't wait to share with you some truly fun and inspiring content. So welcome.
It's a pretty quiet day today at the house. I did call this morning and confirm they are shipping that tile out today. So I'll have that tile tomorrow, which means the awesome team from Footprints will be able to come in and finish off the fireplace. We have a plumber coming out later who's going to reroute the gas line that's in the attic so that we can actually recess the LVL up into the ceiling. So before I head back home, I wanted to get a couple of things done while I can. And so I'm starting with Cat 6 cable. I like wired connections, and I want to be able to wire the wireless hubs with Cat 6 rather than coax. And also running Cat 6 from one side of the office to the other above the fireplace here where the TV is going to go. Everything on this side of the office is kind of the main hub. Everything was going really smoothly. I had conduit installed so I could easily pull the cabling through up over the ceiling here and then down this wall. And then there was like an existing coax there. Like, oh, I'll just attach the cables to the coax. I'll cut the coax and then I'll pull the coax through, leading all the cables down the wall. It was all great until it wasn't, and now it's stuck. Right around here, there's a 2x4 running horizontally that has a tiny hole that coax was feeding through. So it's not pulling all the cables that I want to pull through. Before I start cutting, I need to find roughly where that 2x4 is. I'm gonna fish this through the wall, and then when it stops, I'll pull it out and have a rough measurement as to kind of where that 2x4 is up the wall there. So okay, roughly right there. So okay. So I think it's somewhere right around here. Not only is there this like textured wallpaper, there's also wood paneling, and then there's sheetrock. Yeah, so there's the panel right there. Pretty good size. Hit that stud like, oh, what a great little measurement tool, huh? All right. Oh my goodness. Where's it coming down at? Aha! I found the horizontal 2x4, like right on the money. Finding where that cable is coming down from, oh, that's the whole other story. So I think you can only be lucky like once a day. I think that's the rule. So I use mine up on finding the the 2x4. And I'm just gonna work my way over. Aha! We found it. It's right there. I think it's gonna be okay. I think it'll be okay just to take out that little notch. There's the wire, and up in there are my stuck cables. You can see that hole is just not big enough. So I think I'm just gonna notch this out on this side and bring them on through. Okay, super close. Just need to trim off just a tiny little bit more. That needs to come through this hole. I need to cut this opening a little bit wider, so I'm just gonna move this out of the way. And cut this notch out just a little bit bigger. Also, I'm sure there's a better way of doing this than using a really fine-tooth multi-tool, but I don't have anything else because I'm not a guy with all the different types of tools. So you use what you got, right? Okay. Just wanted to kind of make that clear. Those who are watching are like, why is he using that and not the zippity-doopity? That's why, because this is the only zippity-dee I've got. Well, then he should go buy himself a zippity-doo-dah, right? I wouldn't even know what tool is best for this. I don't think a Sawzall would be the tool for this because I feel like that's just, I mean, it's a reciprocating saw blade. Maybe you could get it really nice and easy without cutting wires and making a huge mess of the wall and stuff like that. I've already made a mess of the wall, but anyway, again, this is what I got. Do we have success? We have success. Oh yeah. Wait for giving birth here. All right, here we go. Pull. Oh. Pull. No. Come on. Oh. No. Why is it bringing so many cables in? Because I like things to be hardwired. All right, we're gonna get this to work. Oh, look at that! We did it. We did it, folks. And I'm also bringing this string down that I'll leave at the bottom, attached to the top. So if I ever want to pull anything else through, I can just attach it to that string and pull it through. We did it! We did it! Okay. Man, that's so nice. That feels so good to have all these pulled.